Okay, these are electric service panels. They're in the southwest corner of the garage. This one on the right looks to be the main one. It's got the little covers on it like it should. Okay, this looks like it's a retrofit. Looks like it's an update. Everybody here is the sheetrock screws. Sheetrock screws are fast, they're tight, I get that. They don't have the same shear strength as nails. So if this structure was to experience a tornado, for example, this box wouldn't stay in place as well as it would have if nails were installed. Over here we've got some neutrals that are double lugged. You can double lug grounds. I'm trying to look for an example. But neutrals should not be double lugged. So we got some double lugging right there. Double lugging right in there. Of course we got the gaps. The labeling. The labeling could be a little more specific in some areas. A little more specific. But not. It's not, again, a little more specific. This is the other one. Looks like it's more original. It's got the sheetrock in it. Neutral is labeled. We have bundling again. You see these big knockouts? Where are you? Big knockouts. They're for L1 and L2 in the neutral. L1, L2 neutral. That's what these knockouts are for. See these smaller knockouts? They're for all these wires. This is called bundling. It's in both panels. It's called the skin effect. More heat develops up in there. It's very common. I'm not discounting my work. Very common though. You should have rubber booties over here. And over here, this white, these two whites, they should be wrapped with black tape, kind of like it was over here when they did these. So, anyway, the whites should be labeled. Shouldn't be screwed in place. No bundling. You need some rubber booties over here. Neutral's double lugged. No neutral. Double lugged over here. No booties over here. And that's about it. And everything else is pretty much universal. The gaps, it's not supposed to be more than 1/8 of an inch. So it compromises the fire blocking. That's both panels. Bundling, both panels. Labeling, both panels. Screws, both panels. White hots, this panel on the left. No booties, this panel on the left. Double lugging of the neutrals, this panel on the right. And that's it.